I just dropped my mom out at the hospital, so I just decided to do a quick vlog. While waiting for her, I bought Char Kuey Tiao. And apparently this Kuey Tiao is very, 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 very nice. Okay. In Mandarin, if you want to know what is in Mandarin, Kuey Tiao in Mandarin is called Guo Tiao. Guo Tiao. Okay, Guo Tiao. So if you want to tell Char Kuey Tiao, okay, in Mandarin it's called Chao Guo Tiao. Ooh. Okay, wanna have a look or not? I can show you. Anyway, this is the Kuey Tiao. Can have a look. This is the chili. No, this garlic. And then let's open and have a look. Dude, I think this one much better than Penang Kuey Tiao. Ooh. Open, see. Wow. Oh, look at that. This is so good. This Kuey Tiao is so nice. It's so good. Look at that. Come, I'll show you. Oh. Even Penang Kuey Tiao also kalah already lah, because I think this is as good as Penang Kuey Tiao. It's so nice. You can see like they put a prawn and all that, and the aroma, it tastes the same. I mean, this, you don't go Penang, this is as good as Penang. Yeah, it's so nice. Come, let's eat. And don't worry, this is halal, okay? This is a halal Kuey Tiao, okay? And everything is so nice. You might be asking, Sifu, where you buy this Kuey Tiao? Huh? You comment below, ask me, I will answer you. Come, go makan. You want to teman me makan or not? Come and go eat together. So if you want to tell in Mandarin, jom kita makan Kuey Tiao. How to tell in Mandarin? Very easy. Jom is called lai. Jom kita is us. So in Mandarin it's called 我们. So like, so if you want to tell, jom kita. So 来我们. Eat is 吃 Char Kuey Tiao, 炒粿条. So in Mandarin you say 来我们吃炒粿条. But if you want to add on something some more interesting, you can tell jom kita sama-sama. Sama-sama is together. In Mandarin is 来我们一起吃炒粿条. 一起 is together. 一起 not that itchy that garu gatal itchy, that one different itchy, okay? And the itchy la terima, itchy, hey, it's not that itchy, it's called itchy. Same lah, itchy. So basically, when do you use itchy? You put it after a subject. 我们, 你们, 他们, kita, korang, mereka. 我们, kita, korang,你们, mereka, 他们. So you put the itchy behind. So kita sama-sama, 我们一起. Korang sama-sama, 你们一起. Mereka sama-sama, 他们一起. Very, very itchy, very easy. So if you want to tell, hey, come, we all together. Together is 我们一起啦. So 来我们一起吃 makan 炒粿条. So 来我们一起吃炒粿条. So this is how you tell in Mandarin. So if you want to talk to your friends, hey, come, go makan lah, go makan. So go makan means normally they will say 吃饭. Hey, 来我们一起吃饭. 来我们一起吃饭. Sifu, senang dia Chinese, of course. Is Sifu here, why worry? Come, teman me eat Chinese Char Kuey Tiao. Jom. My mom is gonna kill me. I'm eating Kuey Tiao in the car. Maybe after the video is out, you see this video, like, hey, why eating Kuey Tiao in my car? Seriously, Penang Kuey Tiao is so nice. Okay, I'm not gonna make you angry. I'll eat. Okay, I'm not gonna make you. I'm gonna make you all angry. I'm gonna finish the Kuey Tiao. Let's do another video. Sunset, very beautiful sky. I wanna take a video and show you. No, come. Anyway, I found a better way. I eat on the car. So I have my chili here and my Kuey Tiao. Behind my camera is a water bottle. So we teman together again and eat. Because eating the car, you put ketchup and all that, very difficult. If you want to tell letak, put in Mandarin is called fang. Let's say you want to tell letak chili, so you can tell fang la jiao. La jiao is chili, so fang la jiao. If you don't want to tell don't want chili, so 不要 fang. Fang is put. 不要 fang la jiao. But if you want to tell add, tambah. Tambah in Mandarin, tambah is called jia. Jia, J-I-A, jia. If you want to tell tambah chili, jia la jiao. Seremban can be famous for Kuey Tiao already. I think let's not play with the chili lah. Very difficult actually. We just eat like that lah.
I seriously don't need to go to Penang anymore. Because normally I go to Penang, I have to go Char Kuey Tiao. This is better than Penang. You know, they put prawn, everything is inside. Okay, some words I can teach you also. Kuey Tiao is called Kuo Tiao. But if you want to tell noodles, mee, you know, Kuey Tiao mee, how to tell that in Mandarin? Mandarin Kuey Tiao, Kuo Tiao. Mandarin mee is called mian. So if you want to tell Kuey Tiao mee, you say Kuo Tiao mian. You don't tell mian Kuo Tiao, cannot, huh? Kuey Tiao mee, Kuo Tiao mian. And then prawns is called xia. Xia is prawns. And if you want to tell tauge is called ya chai. Ya chai. I don't ask me why ya chai, because ya is gigi, is teeth, and then chai is sayo. So sayo gigi sayo. Okay, ya chai. So if you don't want to tell don't tauge, uyao, ya chai. But you want to tell tambah pedas. Pedas in Mandarin is called la. So tambah plus add on is called jia, J-I-A, jia. So number one, jia. So you tell jia la. You cannot tell jia la, cannot. It's not that la, not that la. Jia la. So number four. Jia, so number one, jia la. Oh, we're getting angry now. Hey, where is Kuey Tiao? Seremban, I'm telling you, Kuey Tiao. It's not got prawn. Mostly Kuey Tiao. Some of y'all, Kuey Tiao can be in Kuala Pila. Kuala Pila also Kuey Tiao famous. Seremban Kuey Tiao, oh, very nice. But of course, you cannot easily find this restaurant. Very, very hard to find this restaurant. It's virtually impossible to find this restaurant. I can challenge you cannot find Kuey Tiao in Seremban. So I taught you how to order Kuey Tiao already. So pedas, la. Chili, if you want to tell chili is called la tiao. La. If you want to tell egg in Mandarin is called tan. So if you want to tell tambah telur, jia tan. Ooh. But if you want to tell tambah dua telur, that means add on 2 eggs. So you can say 1 is eat, 2 is 3 is san. But of course 2 you will not tell you tell liang. So and then penjuru bilangan for egg is li, li, penjuru bilangan. So you want to tell satu telur, you tell i li tan. If you want to tell dua telur, it's called liang li tan. Liang li tan. Liang. Why liang? You come for my class, I'll teach you everything. This is a shortcut. Liang li tan. You don't go and tell liang tan day, you know, liang tan all. Liang li tan. Liang li is biji. It's so good. How to tell seorang makan? Seorang makan. Makan is se. Orang is ren. Satu i. Penjuru bilangan for orang is ke. So i ke ren se. I ke ren se. 2 orang makan. Liang ke ren se. 2个人吃. 3 orang makan. 3个人吃. That's it. I'm pissing all off, I know. It's the sunset. There, and see. This is so good. I'm done. Good to go. Don't tell anybody. Make sure nobody know Kuey Tiao fell in the car. Nah, habis aku. I hope you enjoyed this journey of learning how to buy Kuey Tiao. Okay, that's it. Done. Enough for my vlog for the day. 谢谢，再见。